Hello, my name is Annabelle Degler. I'm with Sobis, and I'm very, very grateful that we have Quade Robertson here today with us, a mentor and a former future leader.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Quade Robertson, Associate Project Manager with Hanson Professional Services. We're a consulting engineer specializing in rail design with a piece on operational aspects.
So you just told me you were a future leader in 2019?
Yeah, in 2019.
So how did you learn about the program and how did you become a future leader?
Yeah, so when I got hired on, I'd been with the company about 6 months. And about a month before the conference, my boss was like, hey, by the way, you're going to attend this with me. Also, you're a part of the Future Leader program. And I had no clue what that was, how I was going to fit in or anything. So I was thrown to the wolves. And with the amount of people we have here, it's a bit overwhelming.
I can totally agree with that one.
Yeah.
I had the same thing happening to me. And did you have, or can you share a specific moment in the program that had a lasting effect on you personally and also on your professional life?
Yeah, absolutely. First conference that I went to, we were going for a Future Leader event, boarded a bus at the Broadmoor. I had no clue, I had met no contacts, sat down in an open seat and was just kind of hopeful that somebody would sit down, and that's how I'd start the connection. And Bob Williams, actually, who was a liaison at the time, sat down, had a great chat, and his energy helped inspire me to be welcoming to all first-year future leaders and really be a steward for the program and helping drive that passion.
And especially since you've been through the program, you've been a mentor, and we really want the truth and the honest answer from you here. What would be the improvements that you can see in the program? Where could we be better?
Sure. Yeah. So I've got two in mind. The first one, I think you guys have done a great job with the alumni program. As I was going through it and being part of the co-leads and committees, that program engagement is very crucial to first years. And being able to be a mentor this year and help introduce those guys to what ECC is, what the program is, and how best to get plugged in, I think that's great. So I think we need to continue to do that and reach out and make sure it's kind of no man left behind, so to speak, right? And then the second one is, I've been here for the last 5-6 years, and I've noticed a trend where there's less owners that show up. I think this year is pretty low. It's 14-15% of the overall attendees. So I think if we can try to find a way to bring them back into the fold where it's more, I think in the past it's been about 30%. I think that's going to help invigorate the program, help it grow the way it wants to grow, and still be able to provide enough benefit and perspective for everybody.
Thank you so much for that feedback. I think that will be beneficial for the organization and everybody in it.
Certainly.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me.